If your condenser unit is not running, you gotta check a few things first to avoid burning cash on unnecessary repairs. So, first, make sure your unit is getting power. Sometimes the breaker trips or a fuse blows, so just reset the breaker or replace the fuse if needed. Next up, check that capacitor because if it's busted, your condenser won't kick on. It's usually a small cylindrical or oval part near the compressor, and if it's bulging or leaking, you might need to swap it out. Then, the start relay. This little guy helps your compressor start up, and if it's faulty, the unit just won't run. If you're not comfy messing with electrical parts, don't sweat it. Call a pro technician to handle the tricky stuff safely. Also, clear any debris or dirt around the unit so air can flow easily. Blocked airflow can make it shut down or work super hard. Don't forget to check the thermostat settings too. Sometimes it's just a dumb little issue like that. Keeping up with regular maintenance will stop these headaches before they start. One of the biggest mistakes people make when their condenser unit is not running is ignoring a tripped breaker or blown fuse. Fix that by just resetting or replacing it right away. Another common problem is overlooking a bad capacitor because it's easy to miss, but super important. Swapping it out can get your unit humming again. Lastly, a faulty start relay often gets ignored, and people end up calling for expensive repairs when replacing this small part solves the issue fast. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find reliable local contractors without all the hassle. And for contractors, it's a great way to get real work from people who actually need them. It's like having a trusted middleman making sure everyone wins on home projects.